Hello everybody! Today's video is dedicated to the failures and mistakes of truckers. Enjoy watching. The video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Your comments and criticisms are, of course, always welcome. Note the truck on the right and its hood. A flatbed trucker was on his phone using a headset and did not pay attention to his trailer and hit a Swift trucker. It was not a big deal, just some damage on the door. The Swift driver did not make it a big deal either, and everything was back to normal after they talked. It was lucky that the truck driver was awake and immediately turned on the record after the impact.
Backing up, and we're gonna do the report of in my truck. Yeah. So I gotta call the police and get a police report, everything. Alright. 4897. Right here. You record these so I can right there and right here.
There was no conflict. The police were called. The damage report was made and everyone went about their business. Note the truck on the left coming out of the gas station. From the author. This guy was speeding in the parking lot and hit the concrete pole protector thingy. I'm sorry for the adult language, but this was freaking stupid. 18-wheeler trying to pass or overtake a line of cars at night on a 2-lane country highway. Another pickup and I had to get off the road to the shoulder to avoid being hit head on.
Every other car doesn't do what you do.
From the author. This is my co-driver was ready to drive. I know he was tired, did not get enough sleep, and I was never told that he was watching something on his phone. You can see the phone reflection on the window. From the author. This is how not to back up trailer in places like this. Further on, you can see a bunch of empty seats. Why it was necessary to stop in this particular one, it is unclear. It wasn't a big deal, just gotta have better skills when backing up a big rig. You can see the main hero of the video on the right. From the author. Pretty sure he could see me coming if he looked, but probably not.
There you go. That's real good. Real good.
Note the moving truck and the car on the left. Hi, thanks for the question. So as not to make it too long, war changes your values. Literally, your whole world is turned upside down. 80% of what was important to you or what you cared about before the war is not just relegated back to the burner, but becomes unimportant altogether. And, of course, the only thing about war is that you see the true face of the people around you. Who are your true friends, and who are scoundrels who are not worth your time? That's if it's very brief.